This Herefish Client Success story is about a client that increased their candidate engagement rate to 35% from 3% in 6 months' time. What would happen to your staffing firm if you did the same? I bet something like this: increased revenue, better candidate experience, and you can do it without adding additional work. Let's dig in and find out how. This client wasn't leveraging the full power of their database. Their first problem was they had no idea how many candidates they were engaging with, but they knew they wanted to improve it. Step one was designing and measuring current engagement. They never had any metrics on this, so we decided upon the following. An engaged candidate was someone who matched any of the following in the last 90 days. There was an inbound call or email, an outbound call or email with an answer or response, a website visit, or a job application or submission. They used those criteria and they found out their engagement rate in the last 90 days was 3%. Step two was improving their engagement. They started with 3 things. First, cleaning up records. Automations like archiving records that don't need to be in the database anymore, segmenting and ensuring essential informations for records that remain, and automation checks on new candidates to make sure they achieve a high data quality rate. Second, they started re-engaging with candidates. Automations like sending a survey so they could get updated resumes parsed automatically in the system from candidates who hadn't updated in a while. Then they incrementally re-engage candidates by background, skill set, and likelihood to respond, so they didn't overwhelm their teams. And they started to automate relevant job alerts and focused on creating a better online application experience. Third, they created a system in which candidates didn't slip through the cracks of their database to begin with. Automations like reminders and reach outs when top talent went too long without a communication. Better segmentation to target the candidate's accurate job seeking status and communicate with them appropriately. And then setting and delivering upon communication expectations throughout the whole process. The result after 6 months? A 35% engagement rate. They increased the revenue and provided a much better candidate experience. And they were able to get this done without adding additional work. That is how you 12x your candidate engagement rate and turn your database into the best candidate source. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Leave a like or a comment and be sure to check out these other videos over here. Until next time, happy automating.